So in the last video we have seen that how to create our first React app. So in this video I will be telling about some of the things that is what is a JSX and what is a styling, how to do styling, what is a inline styling, what is external styling, what is import and export the component, how do we import and export the component. These are the basic things I will be teaching you in this video. So what is a JSX? Yes, as you can see, this is nothing but the JSX. This part is called nothing but the JSX only. Whatever we are writing here is the JSX. JSX is nothing but the extension of the JavaScript, which looks like JavaScript and the HTML. As you can see, it is look like a HTML. We are wrapping the HTML. If you want to write any function, you can write here. This is where you can write JS. So like this, it is nothing but the JSX. You can denote it as like for example, when we create a component, call it as components components navbar. Let's say the navbar dot JSX navbar is. So this is our component, one of the component, that is the navbar. So in this is nothing but the JSX. If we import this one to here, app.js. Okay, we can import here. Okay, let's wait a minute. uh, we shall take this one upside. Now see, the navbar is here. Okay, navbar. Okay. So this is nothing but the JSX. JSX is nothing but whenever the interviewer question asks what is a JSX, JSX is nothing but the extension of JavaScript. Uh, it looks similar to JS. It is a combination of HTML and JavaScript. You can tell like this. Okay, and let's see what is a name import and export. Name import and export. See here, this is a one component called as the navbar. Whenever we are importing to the component, the app.js anywhere, there will be only one default export. This is called the default export. Okay, this is called the default export. For example, header, footer. Let's say this, let's create the name export. Let's call it as footer. Let's export this one. So now we can export this one directly to any component. Let's go to the app.js, and after the line number 12, let's paste it. Okay, As you can see, footer is imported successfully. So to import the footer, what we have to write, for example, if I remove this one, can write also like this: import. Whenever there is a name export, so this is a footer dash components slash footer navbar. So whenever we are importing the whenever we are importing the name exports, we have to import like this. Okay, so in this way the importer and exports can be done. We are exporting from here and we are importing from here. Okay, so this is the basic thing you have to know in the React. The next thing is inline styling. What are inline styling? Yeah, friends. So inline styling, for example, if I want to style the navbar, there is this, for example, it is a navbar and I want to style it. We can do in internal styling, inline styling, and external styling. So in this one, I will be showing you inline styling. Styles is equals to color is equals to, for example, red. So style, you can see now where whites, once again, styles, I think some issues there, inline. See, it is correct only. I don't know why it is not getting changed. One second. Style is equals to color is equals to red. Yeah. Let's refresh. Now we are importing this number only. Red color styles. Okay. Styles. I made a mistake here. So you can see here our inline style is properly working, and external styling, internal styling can one more type can be done. For example, one more internal styling is this one. For example, if it is like this here, the internal styling can be done like this. Now bar color is equals to like this. Same thing. It is a same thing. We are creating a variable called navbar colors. We are creating an object. We are importing here. This is called internal styling. Internal styling. Okay, now the external styling we have already done, which is nothing but this one only, app.css. uh, we are connecting to the one more type of styling can be done, that is external styling. Now bar dot scss. So let's take example of this one. So the one more way of styling is external styling, where we already know how to style the external styling. So take a div, for example. If it is a footer, I am taking inside this div. Let's name it. as the class name as footer. Okay, once we name as the footer, we want to style this one. To style this one, we will create a neighbor.scss. In this scss, we can target means, for example, yes, we have to import here that file. Okay, dash dot slash neighbor.css. Footer is our class name. Let's take the background color as anything. Let's take it as okay, this one, that blue. Okay, as you can see, our background color is reflected, means our external services is working fine. You can also use the SAS. It is a most recommended. If possible, I will tell afterwards. You have to install this package and try to use SASS, because in all the React projects in the companies, they use SAS, preprocessor SAS. I will surely tell this one also afterwards. So this is the basic level. I am telling you the basic level first of all, then we shall go to the advanced level. Okay, this is one more type of styling. Hope I have covered most of the topics in this video. And styling over internal external exports over default export, we know. Inline styling, JSX over. So next